Can we
Mm-hmm. Can you what? Andy? Okay, do you have any questions before I proceed?
hello?
Yes.
Yeah, sir, can we take a trade from daily level after refining it on 4 hour?
Yes, you can, as long as it's aligned with what? With what? Aligned with storyline.
Storyline, yeah.
Yes.
Sir, I actually took a trade on a Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, I
uh,
mean, yeah, definitely. Why not? So if your storyline is bullish, you can go to the daily, right? It's bullish daily, and then you refine it to the H4. If the H4 is looking good, boom, just take it. But I personally don't like this entry type. I mean, I will teach you this entry type, but there are way better entry types than this. But yeah,
no,
it's decent.
I actually took it from from here.
But don't take it on H4 instantly. You have to go to the H1 also. But this week didn't touch any daily in it.
Yes, sir. It touches on left.
This one,
Yes, sir. And there is a
I see.
4 hour hidden base.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you really see that. Good one. This one.
But I didn't hold it because uh, it after it didn't give a clear confirmation, but after 1 hour
Mm,
candle, then I then
got
I
you.
get a confirmation here.
Yeah, no worries. So for me, I wouldn't really do that because I already have my continuation entry here. So just make it simple for yourself. So H4, continuation, refine to H1. I will show you how to do that. Use your confirmation if you want. Boom, price goes up. Because if you use daily H4, you will not want to TP. So your TP is basically going to be around 50 pips, 60 pips, that type of stuff. So for me personally, I like to hold the shit out of this, bro. I like to take it here. I like to take it here, 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 and then hold all of the volume until I have a better storyline. When I have a better storyline, I TP everything and then boom, sell, 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 sell. So yeah,
No, but do
no,
you partial TP? What?
no, fuck partials. I don't
What?
partial.
What?
Yeah, I don't partial. I used to do that, but now I don't partial because if you
Teach us that
understand
one
where
day.
price is going, what you say?
Teach us that one day. How to take our trade to the big level, not to,
Yeah,
yeah.
we
Yeah,
don't
let's
get.
say
Yeah,
let's say your next destination is this daily, right? You have an H4 breakout. You pull back entry. If your mentor taught you that prices will go there, why would you partial here? You know what I'm saying? Oh, I partial after 200 pips. Don't be greedy. No, go. Be greedy. This is how market works. Daily to daily. Hold all of the shit, bro. Don't be
Right,
scared.
right.
Okay, yeah. Don't be scared.
So so
Cause
you so sir, you hold the trade until the next daily 4 hour break.
I hold until the next monthly.
uh, that's
Have
what
you
we have
seen my
seen. Yeah,
have you
in your
seen my
Instagram
recent?
story.
Yeah, I have buys here, all the way up, and I didn't partial. Have you seen my latest flip? I want to flex a little bit, guys. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I flipped 2,000 to 1 million. It's almost 1M, guys. It's crazy, yeah, but it's very easy to do that. Now, let me show you the secret sauce to that.
In
There
this
is this.
up move,
We are lucky to be
Yeah.
here. We are lucky to be here, man. We are lucky to
sir.
be here.
No.
You flipped it in this up move.
Yeah, of course.
I flipped it in 7 days, basically this leg right here. Yeah,
Man,
but you will
this
need
is
the leverage more than 1,000. I basically use the broker that has 2,000 leverage and an infinite leverage. So what you do, okay, but listen, I will be honest with you. I have blown $50,000 before this worked out for me. That $50,000, I split it to 5Ks. So I had 10 accounts and I tried this over and over and over again. I mean, for fun, you know what I'm saying? I could flip the 5K to 50K, you know, and then stop. But basically, I wanted to flip 5K to $1 million in a short period of time. So this is what I did. I got 50K. So what I'm trying to tell you, don't focus on flips just yet, right? Until you get a hand of it, because I will blow an account next week, but I don't care, bro. I'm a millionaire, you know what I'm saying? So you will have 5Ks, you know, 5Ks, 5K accounts. I had 10 5K accounts. I tried the challenge from here, right? I started from here. I grew the first 5K to 60K and then blow it, right? I sold right here, I guess, and then blow it. Boom, it didn't work. And then took the second account, 5K, blow it instantly. One setup, boom, 5K to 0. Third account, so on and so forth. My highest record was 160K, and then boom, back to 0. So the last challenge that I took was like 5K, and then I started my buy right here. Okay, go back up, and then I had a loss. I don't remember. I think a loss in here. So not sure. Yeah, I remember now. So I was selling, okay, and then I wanted to buy on this level right here. I was like, yeah, let's high risk it. 5K was running like 7K, and then I lost my 5K, so I had 2K left. And in that 2K left, it was like $2,174. So what I was like, yeah, let's go for margin then. Maybe we're gonna blow this until the next account. So what I did is I bought from here, and all the setups that I got were winners. So you see why it worked right here, because I had a series of winners. That's it. So I didn't give you the tip yet. I'm gonna explain it to you. So how I was able to flip that and why I blew these. So let's say you have 10 setups, okay? 10 setups. And you will win 8 out of 2, okay? Now, it depends if you will blow it or not. Now, in these 8 out of 2, if you lose the first one, the account is already done. You see, 8 out of 2. I don't care about the 8, but I care about the 2. When are these 2 gonna occur? If they are gonna occur in the first 4 to 5 setups, the account is obviously gone. Why is it gone? Because in the first 4 or 5 setups, you have to spam that buy or sell button to hell. You have to go full margin. So I basically go full margin in the first 5 setups and then hold it to the next target. So I was lucky here. Price gave me like a 600 pips daily candle. And then finally, I made my greatest flip of all time. So I'm just going to be honest with you. Flipping with full margin, you will need some luck and some money on the side, right? But you can definitely flip slowly by risking 20% per setup, 30% per setup. That will definitely work because of a high win rate. But if you go full margin and you want to go crazy just like me, you will have to win 6 setups, 5 setups in a row. Now, how did I do that? I got 6 setups here, or 8, I don't remember. So all of them were winners. I took a buy here, won it. Took a buy here, won it. This one actually was an SMC entry, and then took a buy here, and all of them reacted. So I took a buy here actually when price broke this on H1. This is one of the entry types I will show you, don't worry. So it was a failed engulfing, but right here, and then all of them were winners. So how did I do this? So on that, okay, I had 2,000 leverage, okay, 2,000 leverage. So I started buying from here. I put some lots, here's some lots. And then with these profits running, I had more margin to risk. So once price reached this level, okay, there was a level in here for sells, and I knew it was going to fail. And when a sell level fails, right, when a sell level is about to fail, it obviously will buy. It's not going to do something crazy, right? If a sell level doesn't sell, it means it will buy. So how did I buy? I simply put all like 10 lots, 10 lots, 10 lots, 10 lots here. I was running like 300K or 200K, don't remember. And then I don't remember if it was here or here. Let me just check my MT5 real quick. Forget all my entries, man. All right, I think, yeah, it was on 1898.99. 1898. Yeah, it was an H1 setup. Yep, it was an H1 setup. So price failed to sell. So I took a lot of buys in here, and that was the last setup for me that made the whole money. Yeah, that's how you basically swing. And the golden tip is to treat every setup as a swing setup. To treat every setup as a swing setup. This is if you want to flip. Now, forget about partialing. Oh yeah, let's partial at 150 pips. Don't be greedy. Okay, you're not gonna go anywhere in life if you're not risky, right? So if you want to do something as big, you will have to be risky. But when I first was starting out, this completely was not my plan. My plan was to make 10K a month, live happy, and yeah. But by time, when you have a lot of experience, you become more comfortable, you will be able to do this. So treat every setup as a swing setup. Let's say you have a storyline that's bullish, right? Oh, I see an H1 setup that my mentor told me it's going to give me 60 pips. It's an entry type called blah, 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 whatever. It's going to give me 60 pips. Treat it as a swing setup. Okay, what do I mean by treat it as a swing setup? Don't partial. Don't put break even so fast. Let it go 100 pips and then put break even. And then TP at the next daily. Leave it. You will have like 7 break evens. And then one of these 10 trades, say 10 trades, 7 break evens, and then 3 ones that are going to hold. That's how you grow your account. Okay, treat every setup as a swing setup. That's a very, very, very golden tip. If you follow it, you will be able to grow your account so fast, so fucking fast.
Okay, coach.
Right.
I mean, when you say 7 break even, so when your trade is moving in the right direction, you move your stop loss to the break even, to your entry.
Yeah. Let me explain why you will have 7 break evens with a certain entry type. Let's say for me, I have 10 entry types. Okay, 10 entry types, and in these 10 entry types, one of them is for scalping, one of them is for swinging, one of them is for intraday, one of them is for 10 pips TP, one of them is for 60. You know what I'm saying? You get me, right? You get the point.
Yeah.
So if you treat all of these entries as all swing setups and extend your TP to the next daily or weekly, it's gonna be quite different, right? So let's say you have an entry type that I taught you, okay? I taught you that this level is gonna go only for the 30 pips, right? And you're supposed to TP at 30 pips. But instead of TPing at 30 pips, you put break even at 30 pips, right? And leave it until the next daily, because price sometimes goes more than 30 pips, you know what I'm saying?
I get it,
but most of the time, it will come back to break even, because this is a scalping setup. It will go 30 pips, you know what I'm saying? 30 pips come back. But some of the times, you will have that one scalping setup. Oh my God. Have you ever, guys, like scalped and then tip just boom, went all the way up? I'm like, yeah, I should have held that. But your plan is to scalp. It's not to hold. Yeah. So if you treat every setup as swing setup, you will grow your account. Just put the break even on the right point. Okay. Don't worry. This will come by experience and time. I hope you like today's session, guys.
That's good. So even in your, even in your orders account, when you trade, you don't take partial.
What you say, Go?
And even in your orders account where you trade, you don't take partial.
For now, I don't take partials, but let's say I'm on a prop firm. Let's say I'm in your situation.
Yeah.
I personally would go with a prop firm. I would focus on getting 5R, 4R trades. Okay. I don't suggest, and I won't tell you to go for 1R, 2R. Fuck that shit. Okay. Go for 3R minimum, 100 pips minimum. Go for that. And aim for the 1.5% risk per trade. I don't know, whatever you're comfortable with. But I personally would suggest you wait for that right trade and risk 1.5% on your first trade. And then once you get that big buffer, start risking 2%. So you finish phase 1 in basically 1 or 2 trades. I don't like to take a lot of time. So once you pass your phase 1, phase 2 on your live, let's say I'm broke, right? Let's say I'm broke. What I would personally do is, let's say I have a 100K account. I would try to get 5%, which is 5K, right? I'd get 5K, just a money target. 5K, TP there, wait for payout, fucking greedy. 5K is a lot, guys. Come on, 5K is a lot. I know what's 5K. I was hoping just for like $50 back in the day. It was like how to get $10 from Google. You know what I'm saying? I used to do that shit when I was young. Come on. Yeah, 5K is a lot. So do that payout, 5K, go spend money on yourself, spend money on your family. Okay, leave some savings. Don't waste all of it. Okay, I know you'll want to spend all of the money, put 3K, 2K on the side, okay, for more funded accounts. And maybe after the next payout, get 1K to start a broker account, okay, personal account, start growing that 1K by risking, I don't know, $200 per trade, $300 per trade, once you're very comfortable. And yeah, just do that slowly, okay, but surely, then aim for higher targets on the funded account. So once you have, let's say 300Ks, it's all done. It's game over. You're gonna start building that capital. It's game over only when you get it consistently, because there are some guys, and I have some students that got that 5K and then blew the account the next month. Why? Because they got that 5K not consistently. You have to focus on consistency, guys. Passing prop firms can be very easy, especially with luck. Okay, I'm not gonna say you can literally just go there, press a big lot, and it goes in profit. Boom, phase one, and you think you made it. No, you have to focus on consistency. Okay, get these small payouts, even $500 payout. Who cares? You got a payout, bro. You know what I'm saying, guys? So yeah, once you have a lot of accounts, copy trade, aim for 2% a month. 2% a month. 2% on 500K account. Let's say you have 200K, 200K, 100K. That's very easy to achieve, guys. Go to TFT, get a 400K account, and then FTMO, 100K, and that's 600K. So if you aim for 2% on that, that's 12K a month. 12K a month. A lot of you would be happy with that. Yeah, once you build your capital over the next few months, guys, you should invite me to dinner.
I
How
will.
long have you
I
been
will.
trading for? Yeah, for sure, bro.
Definitely,
I've
sir.
been trading for the past 6.5 years. Right? I've been losing money for 4 years straight, and then found basically consistency in ICT. Right? I used to be very good in SMC basically, and then I got funded on MFF, but then I don't know, SNR just got my attention, and I just switched to SNR. So I was already consistent with SMC. It's not like SNR made me consistent. I was already a consistent trader. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any other questions, guys?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, how to backtest storyline properly? Can you show a way?
So people always ask me if they should do the replay button. No, the replay button on SNR is so bad. So just analyze with your eyes. Let's say you go to your chart. Oh, I see price went down from there. I want to see where does it stop. Stops right here. And it's very easy. Okay. Starts there, ends there. Now, in between this, I see it went up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Look for all the daily reject daily H4 breakout in those up down. So this one rejected this one. Go to the H4 breakout. Boom. This one came from this one, right? Boom. This one came from this one. H4 breakout. This one, it came from nothing. Don't bother yourself. Okay. This one came from this one. They reject daily, H4 breakout. Then this one came from this one. You have this V level here that got rejected in here. As I said, it doesn't necessarily have to come from a level in there, right? It might do that sometimes, as you can see here. But yeah, this one started there. This one started from here. It did not reject it, but it must have gave an H4 breakout. Yeah, that's it. That's literally how to backtest the storyline. There's nothing more to it. Any other questions?
Are you going to teach us all of your 10 entry types?
Of course.
Ah, nice.
Why would I hide anything from you guys?
And
Yeah,
we'll
we'll
buy
teach
you also a dinner, man. Why hide that?
Yeah, bro. Bro, if someone here is from India, I would love to come there, try the fucking food, bro. I love food there. So
Yeah, come for sure.
yeah, I'm coming there soon, huh? I'm serious. I'll be there like in 6 months, 7 months. I'll be in India.
Yeah.
If you want to visit Taj Mahal, then let me know. I will host you. Taj Mahal is
For sure.
very nearby to my city, and
sure.
my city also very
Yeah,
popular.
I have like a lot of Indian students, so I'm sure if I come there, we should do like a big meeting. You know what
Yeah,
I'm
of
saying?
course.
Yes, sir. And I'm hoping that I will make some money before you come.
For sure, bro, for sure. I'll make sure I give you some time, guys, to build your capital. And don't hesitate to send me charts at any time, guys. Be active on the group. So after I give you the entry types, your homework is to give me signals. Okay, you will be my signal providers for a whole month. Okay, and I want you to
Okay.
give me entries before they happen, after they happen, and the result. I don't care if it's a loss, I don't care if it's a win. That's how you're gonna improve. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Amazing. I hope you guys like today's session. If you have any more questions, please feel free to DM me on Telegram and I'll catch you up in the next one. And Zot, send me the recording on the DMs, okay? See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Sure.
Bye bye.
All right.
Thank you very much.